This video will teach you how to remove spaces between numbers and characters, as well as from before and after values in your Excel spreadsheet, using Find and Replace. Highlight the range where you want to remove all spaces. This method will not delete extra space at the beginning or end of the value, just spaces between characters. Press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace. Click the box next to Find What. Press the spacebar on the keyboard. Click Replace All. A pop-up will show how many spaces were removed. Click OK. Using the Substitute function, click the top cell in a blank column. Type =substitute into the cell. Click the first cell in the column with spaces. Type a comma. Type a double quotation mark, a space, another double quotation mark, and then a comma. This time there's no space between the sets of quotes. Type a closed parenthesis and press Enter. Apply the changes to the entire column. Using the Trim function, click the top cell in a blank column. This removes extra spaces from the beginning and end of a cell's value. Type =TRIM into the cell. Click the first cell that contains extra spaces. Type a closed parenthesis and press Enter. Apply the changes to the entire column. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.